Hi dolls, Josie Baker here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple summer dress. Yep, I know it's winter, but summer dresses are made in winter. I'm going to be using this fabulous fabric, JLo inspired, you know, the jungle dress. Let's get to it. Alright, so what I like to do, and this will make it easier for you to learn, is practice on a little piece of fabric. So fold your fabric in half, draw where you're going to cut your arm up to the neck. Cut it. So it's all even. There we go. There is the pattern for your dress. Front and back. So the next step, I have cut a strip of the actual fabric. This is going to be the ties that will tie around the neck. So what I'm going to do is just sew that together, and that's it. So what I've gone ahead and done is, that is the neck. So I've gone ahead and sewn that together because that will be where the straps will go through. So here we have it, folks. That was our practice little pieces of fabrics, and now we've gone to real time. Cut front and back, and we've got our cute little straps. Threaded the straps through the top of the neck there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sew these two ends together and the two outside ends together. Oh doll, here we go, finished product. We've got a little necktie. I've dressed it up with a little gold belt. Got my matching face mask. We're ready, Mykonos. Let's go.